How to hide and unhide notes on Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to hide and unhide notes on Facebook Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Facebook Messenger app on your device, and at the top section, here you will see all the friends notes appearing. Long press on the note that you wish to hide, and here you will see a drop down menu where you can easily tap on hide contact and confirm. Now tap on hide contact and the user's notes will now be hidden but they won't be notified. In order to unhide notes, tap the menu icon at bottom right corner, and now you need to select the settings or gear icon. Scroll down and look for the option of privacy and safety. Now tap on hidden contacts. Here you will see all the hidden contacts list. Tap on the unhide next to the contact to restore their notes. When you come back, you can easily find the notes appearing at top left corner. In this way, you can easily hide and unhide notes on Facebook Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.